Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to make this violet flower pattern, and this flower is pansy flower. So we are going to begin now. Things that we require for the project are yarn of 3 colors, a light purple, dark purple and yellow color, a pair of scissors and a hook that could match to the thickness of the yarn. So let's begin. First we have to pick up the tail of the yarn of yellow color, make a loop, pull through. This is slip knot. Now we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to go back to the first chain, insert the hook and pull through 2. This is slip stitch. Now chain 1, which counts as a single crochet, into the ring, insert the hook and pull through 2. This is single crochet. Insert the hook in, pull through 2, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2. So these are 4 single crochet. We have to make 12 including these 4. So this is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th. Now insert the hook into the 4th stitch, pull through 2. Now we have to cut the yarn from here. First round is complete. Now we have to add color B, that is dark purple, to the pattern. To add this color, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through tightly to make a slip knot. Now insert the hook into the 4 single crochet, pull through 2. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip a stitch into the next stitch, insert the hook in, pull through 2. Again we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip a stitch again into the next stitch, insert the hook, pull through 2. Now turn the pattern into this chain space of 5, insert the hook in, pull through. Now yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space, pull through all the 3. This is half double crochet. Now we have to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 double crochet. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same chain space, pull through all the 3, half double crochet, and into the same chain space a single crochet. Into the next chain space of 5, make a single crochet, a half double crochet and 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A half double crochet and a single crochet into the same chain space. Now turn the pattern again. On the top of single crochet, make a single crochet again, and on the top of half double crochet, make a half double. Now on the top of all these double crochet we have to make treble crochet. So now after half double crochet we have to make a double crochet, and into the same stitch 1 more double crochet. Now yarn over 2 times on the hook, into the next stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. This is treble crochet. Yarn over 2 times into the same stitch, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Again into the next stitch, make 2 trebles into the same stitch, and now we have to make 2 treble crochet on the top of each double crochet of the previous round to make the first petal of this flower. Now after these trebles, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull through. Now we are going to make 2 double crochet, and into the next stitch insert the hook and pull through, make a half double, and into the next stitch a single crochet. Now we have to make second petal in the same way that we did in the first petal. So complete the second petal and we'll meet again when second petal would be completed. After we have made this petal, we have to join this petal into the next stitch with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, and into the next stitch we have to make 1, 2, 3 double crochet and chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined here into the same stitch with a slip stitch. Again we have to make chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet, into the next stitch 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and into the next stitch 2 more double crochet, 1, 2, into the next stitch 2 double crochet, 1, 2, and we have to make chain 3, 1, 2, 3 to be joined here into the same stitch with a slip stitch. Into the next stitch we have to make 3 double crochet into the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, and chain 1, 2, 3 to be joined into the next stitch with a slip stitch. Now we have to come into the first stitch with a slip stitch. Now chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to be joined here with a slip stitch, and chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to be joined into the stitch where we have closed the second petal. Now we have to cut the yarn from here and pull through tightly. So this is the flower that we have made. We are going to add color C to the pattern now. Add color C, make a loop, insert the hook in, pull through, make a slip knot, and into the chain space of 6. Now a single crochet, a half double crochet, and into the same stitch we have to make 2 double crochet and yarn over 2 times on the hook, treble crochet 1, yarn over 2 times, treble crochet 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to make 2 double crochet into the same chain space, 1, 2, a half double crochet and a single crochet. Now complete making another petal with the same color following the same pattern, and we'll meet again when this petal would be completed. After these 2 petals are complete, we have to come to the next petal with a slip stitch. and chain 1, 2, 3. We have to make double crochet on the top of each stitch of all the 3 petals with this color. So we are making double crochet on the top of each double crochet of the previous round. We have to continue making double crochet on this petal as well. And now, after the end of the round, we have to join these stitches into the 4th stitch with a slip stitch. Now we are going to cut the yarn from here. This flower is complete. This is how our violet pansy flowers are complete. And if you're interested in knowing how these flowers and leaves are made, I have given a link in the description box, or you can click the link above to go to the video where I have given a tutorial on these flowers and leaves. Thank you so much.